Well, it's that time of year. It's the time to start planting new potatoes in your garden. And if you're looking for one of the best early varieties that will produce that new potato flavour, I can highly recommend Vitabella. Vitabella produces beautiful, well-flavoured potatoes by early summer. It's a blight resistant variety, so it's ideal to grow in the veggie bag on your patio or balcony, or indeed to plant out into your garden soil. It produces beautiful, thin-skinned potatoes that are easy to cook. They've got a fabulous flavour, and it produces a fantastic crop. So one of the best varieties I grow every year is this one called Vitabella. And here at Horkans, we've got a wide selection of seed potatoes ready for planting now. You can shop online on Horkans.ie for home delivery. Bye for now.